In this planet that we call Earth, there are many countries, but today we're gonna focus on one which is called Singapore. In school, the student is not just there to learn about maths or science. They are also there to socialize with other students and make friends.
A good student always adheres to rules, follows the law, and listens to his teacher when he is talking.
They do simple things like relaxing at home, playing at the playground, or even just sitting down to take a little nap. In National Service, or NS as we like to call it, these Singaporean men are there to train for the army. At NS, they are required to stay there for about 2 years, and they will defend their country in times of war and in times of need.